Hi there, welcome to the second session in the Wine One series. During this video, we'll review our beverage product categories, private label wines, main dining menu, cellar list, and beverage program experiences. It'll be helpful if you keep copies of these menus near while taking this class for reference and note-taking. Let's begin. Here you see the breakdown of our product categories. The bolded items, draft wine, beer, cocktails, cellar by the glass, and sangria are all part of our main dining menu. These are pretty general and shouldn't come as a surprise to you, but should be a great reference point to map your product knowledge. As you continue to study, make sure you're knowledgeable of Coppervine's specific products and standards within each category. Those product categories in the last slide build our beverage menus. Our happy hour menu features 3 wines, all under $40 a bottle and $10 a glass, or guests can try a flight of all 3 for $8. The dessert wine and after dinner drinks, these are fortified and dessert wines thoughtfully paired with chef's original dishes, as well as our cordial offerings. The cellar list features our bottled wine, around 80 bottles changing seasonally, featuring selections of sparkling, white, rosé, and red wines from around the world. Our main dining menu will feature our wine on tap, beer, specialty cocktails, cellar by the glass, that's our Corvin wines and our sparkling, and sangria. This menu contains a lot of information, and it serves as the foundation of our offerings to our guests. Before we dig deeper into the main dining menu, I want to review an aspect of our wine programming that'll help us navigate the wine on tap. Private label, traditionally a wine sourced from a producer for a retail or restaurant. We work with producers and winemakers to source a wine exclusive to our brand. Think of this as our house wine, but elevated. These wines are traditional in style, great for the table, with memorable quality. Coppervine currently has 3 private label wines, a Cabernet Sauvignon, a Sauvignon Blanc, and a Rosé of Pinot Noir. All of these wines are produced by Cultivar in Napa Valley. Cultivar is a producer with quality in mind. They source grapes from some of the best vineyards in California, curating their wines for the truest expression of the varietal and region. Their sourcing abilities provide stellar wines for approachable prices, so we're able to offer our guests a great quality for the glass. As we walk through the main beverage menu, the Coppervine private label wines will help navigate our wines on tap. We offer 30 wines on tap or draft. You will see at the top of each column are our main headers, red, white, rosé. The main headers categorize the wine by general style. The subheaders, grouping the wines, designate specific varietal type or style of the blend. Within each column, we feature groupings with our private label wines first. We're very excited to offer these wines by the glass from the tap, so we want these to be featured for the guests. After the Coppervine wines, it's organized alphabetically from New World to Old World. At the bottom of the menu are our beer offerings. We offer 8 beers, tap only. These are local craft beers with an offering for most of the most popular and seasonal styles. Let's look at the back of the menu. At the top of this side, you'll see our cocktails. We offer 6 specialty cocktails. Some are CV signature cocktails and stay year-round. Others are specific to the current menu and provide seasonal flair. Next, we'll talk about our sangria. Lower on the menu on the right-hand side, we offer red, white, and rosé sangria with a frozen sangria offering for spring and summer. These drinks tend to highlight seasonal flavors and generally just what's popular at the time in the industry. To the left, you'll see our cellar by the glass. First, let's talk about the wines labeled red and white. These are wines poured by the glass from the bottle using our Corvin. This system allows us to pour wine without removing or damaging the cork. The wine stays fresh for months at a time, and it's a special offering because you would have to buy a bottle to drink them anywhere else. Below the white column, you'll see our sparkling wines. We offer by-the-glass pours for the majority of styles of sparkling wine from each region, with expanded offerings by the bottle on our cellar list. Now that we've covered our menus and the product categories they feature, let's talk about how we can curate the guest journey by how we present these products to our guests. Our wine experiences serve to make curiosity and discovery approachable, to make it fun. One of the unique features of our programming is the pour sizes. By offering a 2.5-ounce pour, guests can explore varietals and styles of wine without the investment of full glasses or bottles. This makes us special, so encourage experimentation. Our happy hour flights come with tasting notes and background information for each wine and producer. Guests can explore lesser-known styles and regions and become experts on their new favorite wine. If guests want to take their journey further, we offer private dining experiences with exploration and education in mind. Guests can book private tastings with the option of adding food pairings. These are hosted by wine experts at Coppervine and provide a personalized experience for groups of any size. If guests choose a plated meal, they always have the option of adding a wine pairing. Coppervine also hosts quarterly wine dinners. These are ticketed events and are a great opportunity for members of the community to gather and share a table for an evening of exceptional food and wine. These will typically feature a fun theme or special producer collaboration. Okay, we've covered the beverage program highlights. You should feel confident speaking on the format of our menus and the products experiences we offer. As you continue to study, use your supplementary materials on Fusion Prep to review. I've outlined additional materials you'll find useful for the topics we've discussed. Note any questions you may have so you can bring them to your trainer prior to testing. In the next session, we'll begin learning about the major styles and varietals of wine, collecting the tools and knowledge to match specific wines to guest tastes and desires.